Hi everyone, and welcome to another video from Master Calculator. In today's video, we're going to be talking about number sets and how to easily tell them apart. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to be using a Venn diagram so you can see how each of the number sets intersect. Let's begin with the natural numbers. They begin with 1 and go all the way up, 1, 2, 3, etc. After that, we have our whole numbers, which is all the natural numbers plus the number 0. Our next set is the integer set, which is shown in red. It includes all the whole numbers, but also includes negative numbers, as you can see some examples in the circle. And after that, we have the set of rational numbers. But to explain the definition of a rational number, I'm going to need more space. If you already know what a rational number is, you can skip over this part. What is a rational number? A rational number is any number that can be written in the form p over q, where q is not 0. So let's take a look at some examples of rational numbers. Like we said before, whole numbers are types of rational numbers. So 5 would be a rational number because it can be written as a fraction, 5 over 1. What about 0.2? Is that a rational number? Well, that is, because that can be written as a fraction, 2/10. But now here's where it gets confusing. Is 0.1 repeating, or 1 1 1 1 1, is that a rational number? Well, it is, because that's the same as 1 over 9. So those are examples of rational numbers. Now let's take a look at some non-examples of rational numbers. The most basic ones are pi, root 2, e, and other different constants. So these aren't rational numbers because pi, for example, it's 3.14. It starts like that, but it doesn't have any repeating pattern. So it can be written as a fraction, while the repeating decimals can be written has a pattern. It's just the same number over and over again, or some repeating pattern. But these, they don't have some repeating pattern, so they can be written in this form. So that way, that's what makes a rational number, a rational number, if it can be written in a fractional form. The next set we have is irrational numbers. Those are the opposite of rational numbers. So when I was explaining irrational numbers, I gave you some non-examples, and those included pi, e, root 2, and other constants. Those are all irrational numbers because they can be written in the form p over q, or as a fraction. And when you put together irrational numbers and rational numbers, which includes integers, natural numbers, whole numbers, you get the set of real numbers. And one last thing before I end this video, also know that each of the set of numbers have their own symbol. So natural numbers have n as their symbol, integers have w as their symbol, rational numbers have q as their symbol, and real numbers have r as their symbol. Thank you for watching this video and subscribe to Master Calculator for more math videos.